In this video, I will show you two methods on how to fix Facebook customer support chat not showing. So if you want to chat with Facebook customer support but you cannot be able to find the option on your Facebook, hope this video will help you. So now all you have to do now, go ahead now and go to your Play Store. So go to your Play Store, App Store and start by updating your Facebook app. So I'm using Android phone. I'll just go to Play Store and search for Facebook. So after you search for Facebook like this now, go ahead now and update your Facebook app like this now. Here is it now. Tap on this update button to update Facebook. After you finish updating your Facebook, now go ahead and open up your Facebook app like this now. After you open your Facebook, now go to profile. From the profile section now, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. So go to this help and support. After you tap on the help and support, in this option now, go ahead and tap on this report a problem or support inbox. So choose one of them. I'll go with this one. After you choose this one, tap on this report problem. So from this section now, it will create a chat for you. So from this option, tap on this include button. So in this option now, as you can see, it says select a product. Now go ahead and look for as you can see now, go ahead and look for a problem that you want to send to customer support. So for me, as you can see now, let's say now as you can see now, we can't get the gaming option, or you have problem with group, or you have problem with live, or you have problem with messages. Any problem that you have in your Facebook account, just go ahead and choose the problem. For me, let's say I have problem with my Facebook profile is not showing well, so tap on this option. So from this now, go ahead and describe your problem. Like my Facebook profile is not showing well, you can tap on this option to upload screenshot. If you don't have the screenshot, it's not a problem. After you just type in your problem like this now, from this, just go ahead and tap on this send option. That's it, guys. Now you send your problem to Facebook customer support. So from there, they will reach out to you within some hours. That's it, guys, on how to fix Facebook customer support chat not showing. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.